Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Kavazgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. We started our lesson number 3. What is the name of this lesson? Introduction to logo. What is the long form of logo? Language of graphic oriented. We will see first what we discussed in last period. What we discussed in last period? How to open the logo. How to open the logo? Click on the start button, then program, and then Microsoft Windows logo. Click on the start button, all programs, and last step is Microsoft Windows logo. Parts of the logo screen. There are different parts of the logo screen. First one is a output screen. Output screen is also called as the graphics window. Next one is a commander window. Commander window is also having the two section, input box and recall list box. And last one is a turtle. What is meant by turtle? The small triangle on the graphic window or output screen is called as a turtle. And where we type the input? Yes, in the input box. Primitives. Primitives means commands. The primitives also called as the commands. And there are how many commands are there? About 200 logo commands are there. And why it is necessary? To draw in a logo. In that we discuss about the forward command. What is the use of forward command? If you want to go forward, if you want to draw a line, then forward command is very important. Next one is a error and mistake. If you not give space between command and this number, then it will display the error. What error it display? I don't know this command. Next one is right command. If you want to move our cursor to the right side, then RT command is very useful. How to write this command? First to write the RT, then space, and then give the number, or then give the number by which number you have to move this turtle. Next one is a LT. RT command is turtle will move to the clockwise, and LT command turtle will move to the anti-clockwise. Same procedure for writing. First is only for LT. First write only LT, then space, and then write number. Next one we will see here now, home command. What is meant by home command? And what is the use of home command? The home command make the turtle go back to its starting position. If we press the home, then turtle will move to the starting position. Turtle will move to the starting position. When our school is over, when our tuition is over, then where will we go? At home. Means home is our starting position and ending position. Same like that. Home means what? When we press the home, the turtle will go to the starting position. That is the center of the screen with the head pointing upward. Which is the starting position? Everyone having our own home at a different places. But what is the home position of turtle? Which is the home position of the turtle? The center of the screen. Center of the screen with the head point is upside. Head point is upside. And this line will draw in a home point? No, we cannot draw anything in home point. Turtle is in a home starting position only. Step to give the home command. How to give the home command? Type home, directly we can type home, or and then press the enter key. We will see here. For that, firstly we have to write something. We will write here FD 100, then it is not a case sensitive, then I wrote here small letters, then also it will execute. FD 100 means our turtle is now home position. No, it is not in a home position. I want this turtle in a home position. Then how to take a home position? Write directly HOME, home, and then press enter key. Then what will happen? The turtle only come to the home position. The turtle only come to the home position. The line it erases? No, it does not erases line. The only turtle will come to the home position. And if you want to erase it, if you want to erase the screen, then which command is useful? CS command is useful. And if you want to clear the recall list box, then CT command is useful. Clear, what is the use of home position? The turtle only come to the home position. The turtle only come to the home position. It does not clear the line. Next is a now clear text. What is the use of clear text, and what is the long short form of the clear text? CT. The clear text command of the CT primitive clear the commands in the recall list box. What clear text command erases? Clear text command clear or erases the recall list box. We will see here practically. Now where is the input box? Yes, it is the input. And where is the recall list box? From here to here. From here to here. What is in the recall list box? FD 100 and home. What is in recall list box? FD 100 home. Then we want to clear it. How to clear it? Only write the CT. Don't write in front of CT number or don't give space. Only write CT and press the enter key. Then what happens? When we type the CT, it only clears the recall list box. That time it not clear the graphic window or output box. It only clear the recall list box. Clear text. This shall erase all the primitives, all the previous command typed in the recall list box. Clear home position. Home means turtle will come to the home position. CT means only clear the recall list box. Now we will see about the CS. What is the use of CS? The clear screen. CS means what? Clear screen. The clear screen command or CS primitive clear the screen. It clear the screen and put the turtle back into the center of the screen. Means CS command also work like a home command. Why? Because by using home command we can take our cursor to the home position and head is the upper side. Head of the turtle is upper side. The CS command erases the command, erases the output box and it take the cursor to the home position. You can start a new drawing after this command. After this command we can draw a new command. Now we want to erase it. How to erase? By using the CS command. By using the CS command. Where to write? We must have to write everything in a input box. Where to write? We must have write in everything in input box. Then write CS. Then we will see what happened. What happened? This line is also erases and turtle is to the home position. Turtle is to the home position. We will write one more time one example. FD 45, enter. Then RT 60, then FD 50. You can see this program. Where is our turtle now? Upper side. And if I press now CS command, if I use the CS command, then what will happen? We will see here CS. For the CS and CT, don't write the numbers. For the CS and CT, don't write the numbers. Only write the CS or CT. Don't write the numbers. We will write here only CS. Then what happened? It clears everything and our turtle is to the starting position. After this, and now when we give the CS command, all the graphics drawn in the screen are erases and the turtle comes back to its home position. Turtle come back to its home position. It is our starting position, and when we type the CS, then afterwards we can see this window. Now next command is time command. What is the use of time command? The time command display the current day, date and time. Who display the current day, date and time? Which command? Time command. The time is displayed in 24-hour format. Time is displayed in a 24-hour format, not a 12-hour format. Time is displayed in a 24-hour format. Example, time. Shown that we will see current date, day and time. What will they show? In group they show Saturday. Day is a Saturday. The date is 18 September 2010 and the time is 18 hours 2 minutes and 23 seconds. We will see here what to write. Firstly we will clear it. Firstly we will clear the recall list box. How to clear the recall list box? By using the CT command. By using the CT command. Now we will write time. T-I-M-E. Time. Where to write this? Where to write this? In a input box. Then Friday, October 30, and this is the time and now date. Clear? What is the use of time? Clear everyone? Use of time. Firstly we have seen the use of home command. Then afterwards use of CT command. CT means clear the text and CS means clear the screen. In name only it is the use of this command. CT clear text, CS clear screen. And then time command. What is the use of time command? What is the use of time command? It displays the current day, date and time. Now we will see if we done any program and we want to save it, then how to save it? In Word we can save. In Word, in Excel also we can save. Why? Because we can see if we save this file then we can see this file after when we want. Now if you do any program and we want to see this program afterwards, then how to see this program? How to see this program? We will see here how to save it. Firstly click on the file button and then save. Where to save? On the desktop. We will say on desktop, and we will give name, file name as a time only. Why? Because in that only time is there only. In this program only time is there. We can give any name. It is save process. How to save this? All process is same. How to save the WordPad? How to save? Firstly click on the file button, then save. We can see this type of window. Then where we want to save, we can save at any location. We can save on this. We will save this on the desktop, and then we can give file name anything. Any means our roll number also, our name also. I will give your name time. Why? Because if I give this, then it is very easy to find out afterwards. That's why I will give the name only time. Then afterwards save. Afterwards save. Clear how to save the file? We will see your steps. How to save the file? Firstly click on the file, then click on the save as, and you will see this type of window. Then select the folder in which you need to save the file from the Dropbox menu. Then give the name to the file beside the file name at the bottom center of the screen window, and then click on the save. This procedure we have discussed now. Click on the file button, then click on the save button, then select the path. Select the path. Then afterwards give the name to the file. And last step is click on the save. Clear? Now next primitive is by. When we say by in real life, when we say by, when we are leaving to someone, then when we are going to anywhere, then that person we are saying to by. For going time we are saying by. Then what is the use of by here? What is the use of by command? The by command exit from the logo program. If we press the by, then it will exit from the logo. We will see here. If I press the by, what is the spelling of by? B-Y-E, by. Then what will happen? You only see what happened. This program will close. The currently working program will close. Currently working program will close. You can see here. Now I open here new program. But instead of pressing this close button, if I write the which primitive? By primitive, then also we can exit from our logo program. Now next one, we will see how to draw a square in logo. How to draw a square in logo. To get the turtle to draw a shape like a square, we can give him the instructions he needs to walk around the shape of the square. If you want to draw square, then rectangle, then also we can draw. But we know square having four same side, and rectangle having two sides same and two sides different. Then when we want to draw a square, then for that time we must have to write the four sides same. We must have to write four sides same. And if you want to draw a rectangle, that time we must have to give input two sides same and two sides different. Then we can draw rectangle also and square also. Everyone want to see how to draw a square? Good, you are excited. We will write here. First command is we must have to write one. Step 1 is a forward 100. We will write here FD space 100. Why? FD space 100. Why? Because we must have to move the cursor to the forward. We have to draw the line. For drawing line, which command is useful? FD command is useful. Then write the FD 100 and then press the which key? Enter key. Clear? Now we want to draw a line towards the right side. For drawing square, we must have to draw now line this side, right side. Then how to move the cursor toward the right side? By using which command? Yes, by using the RT and how many degree? 90. RT, then space and then 90. Then press enter. Then you can see our turtle will move to the right side by 90 degree. Now we want to draw line. For drawing line, which command is useful? For drawing line, which command is useful? Yes, good. FD 100. We must have to give 100 only here. Why? Because firstly we gave here FD 100 and we want to draw a square, and square having four sides same. That's why for each and every time we must have to write FD 100. If we give first time only FD 200, then also for each and every time we must have to give the FD 200. Then FD 200. Sorry, FD 100. Now we want to draw the line to the downside. Right? First complete the square, we must have to draw the line to the downside. Then how to take the cursor downside? How to take the cursor to the downside? Yes, by using the RT, then space and then 90. RT space 90. Then press which key? Yes, enter key. Then you can see turtle is downside. Now we want to draw a line. How to draw the line? FD then 100. FD 100. Now for complete the square, we must have to draw the line to the right side. Then also press the RT, then 90. And then FD, we have to write here line, then FD 100. Turtle you can see there, because of this turtle you cannot see square very properly. If you want to hide the turtle, then which primitive is useful? Yes, HT. HT primitive is very useful for hide the turtle. We will hide here. Then you can see this turtle, then you can see this square very clearly. Clear? And if you want to see the turtle, then ST, show turtle. You can see this turtle once again. Clear? Now we will clear the screen. What is the primitive for clear the screen? CS, clear screen, and CT, clear text. We will write here this program one more time. What is the first one command? FD 100, then RT 90, then FD 100, then RT 90, then FD 100, then RT 90, and then last step is FD 100. If you don't want this turtle, then hide turtle, HT. If you want to see this turtle one more time, then ST, show turtle. Clear? This is all about how to draw a square. Now we will see how to draw a rectangle using the logo. How to draw rectangle using logo. Rectangle having two sides same and two side different, means front side same. Rectangle having front side same. Firstly we will clear screen, then clear text. We can do first CT also first and then also CS. How to draw? First one is we want to draw a line. Then for drawing line, FD 100, FD 100. Now front side same, we have to take our cursor to the right side. Then which command is useful? Yes, RT 90, then FD how many? FD less. Why? Because front side same. Triangle does not having all sides same. That's why we cannot write FD 100 only. We have to increase or we have to decrease the number. We will decrease the number. FD 50 we will take. FD 50. Then we have to take our cursor to the downside. Why? Because we have to draw the line to the downside. Then for taking the cursor to the downside, RT 90. Then FD, how many FD is there? This side, how many is there? FD, how many is there? 100. Then we will write here FD 100. Then we have to write this side, right side. Then we will write one more time RT 90. Then enter. Then how many FD is upper side? How many is this number? Yes, 50. Then we will write here FD 50. Then for hide turtle HT. Clear? You can see the complete rectangle. Complete rectangle. Understand how to write the square and how to draw the rectangle. We will write this program one more time. First one is FD 100, then RT 90. We will take here FD 200. FD 200. Then RT 90. Then FD 100. Then RT 90. Then FD 200. Then you can see like that triangle. Clear? We can change, we can take any number. We can take any number. Now, what is the homework for you? Read the lesson and underline the hard words. We will see remaining part in the next period. Till that time, take care. Thank you.